Welcome to my SPED talk. Today I want to talk about ASP.NET Core Signal R. It's Microsoft's elegant solution for building real-time web applications. My name is Jason McDonald, and I want to walk you through what Signal R is, why it's useful, how it works, and show you just a quick example so you can get started using it right away. So, exactly what is Signal R? It's an open source library built into the ASP.NET Core ecosystem that makes it surprisingly simple to add real-time features to your apps. Instead of clients constantly asking the server, "You got any updates?" Signal R lets your server push content to connected clients instantly. It works like remote procedure calls. Your .NET code on the server can directly invoke JavaScript or C# or Java, whichever you're running in your front end in the browser or other clients, and Signal R handles all the messy connection management automatically. Now, why should you care about the Signal R and being real time when it comes to your applications and pushing information to your clients? Well, the real time notifications are everywhere now. We live in such a fast world that requires constant updating and constant information that's being passed. So when you think about live chats in Discord or Microsoft Teams, stock price tickers, updating without needing to refresh them, collaborative editing like Google Docs, getting live sports scores or notifications about trades or other information in the sports world. When you're monitoring your dashboards, if you have data that travels real time and you want to see what's going on with the data, that's also available to you because of Signal R. Or even just getting multiplayer game states to keep games playing and moving forward in a nice, simple way. All of them become dramatically easier using Signal R. You write normal C# methods, and then the library takes care of delivering the message to one, many, or all connected clients that you have to it. So when we look at this here, what's going on under the hood with Signal R is that it uses the concepts of hubs. A hub is basically a class where you define the public methods that clients can call and methods that the server can call on the clients. Signal R automatically negotiates the best transport. The first choice that they use are WebSockets because they're bi-directional when it comes to communication. They're also the fastest way to communicate back and forth. If that's not available, it'll fall back on server sent events or long polling as an option for communicating back and forth with the clients. It also includes automatic reconnection as well as the connection lifecycle events and support for strongly typed hubs so you can get compile time safety when it comes to your applications. That way, you can be guaranteed that your types are going to match and work exactly how you expect them to. Now, I want to just take a look at a classic example here of a simple chat room. On the left, what you can see is the .NET code that's creating a hub on your server. So you'll see that it has an async method of sending a message. It's just one method. When anyone calls send message, the server broadcasts the message to all connected clients using the clients.all.sendAsync method. On the JavaScript side, in your single page application or your client side, which is on the right here, what you can see is that it sends a message by using connection.invoke. From there, you're able to send the messages through that connection, which is a Signal R hub connection builder. So once we have that built, you can then start sending messages back and forth from your front end to your back end and update all clients at the same time. So what we need as far as getting started is pretty straightforward. In your backend application, you'll install the NuGet package of Microsoft.ASP.NETCore.SignalR.client. Once you've got that installed, you'll go ahead and map out your hub so that you can reference your client in the script. That's just using the app.maphub with the endpoint that's mapped. And for production scale, the best thing you can check out is Azure Signal R service because it handles thousands or even up to millions of connections without needing to manage servers yourself. just making life so much easier for you. And then as always, there's documentation that's available from Microsoft. Because this is an open source and package there in .NET, you have access at learn.microsoft.com/ASP.NET/core/SignalR. So thank you so much for being present here for my SPED talk on SignalR, and hopefully this is a technology you can use going forward for real-time app notifications from your backend in .NET. Thank you so much.